Alright, he's hooking right on up there. It's gonna get ready to come right on in. Hooked up, and these guys need to get out of the way real fast because these people are not waiting. Ready? Here he goes. Come on in. Listen to that engine roar. Look at the smoke coming right out of that. Whoa! Right on you. Whoa! Oh, not quite. Oh, he was going so fast. Oh yeah, it is considered a full pull. Yeah, because 300 is a full pull and it's 300.24 feet. Wow, look at all that smoke in here.
The tractor pull is very environmentally friendly.
Yeah, environmentally friendly, all right.
Background commentary brought to you by my wild hunter.
Gee, a good thing I wasn't scratching at that time, are you?
More for that to see, no big deal. Equals more views.
Alrighty, bye-bye now. Be sure to join me as a friend. We'll bring you some more.